The do's and don't for sales calls. First, the do's. Listen intently when customers are expressing their needs. This will help you offer the best solution for them. Know what you are selling. Customers with questions expect truthful answers. Have enough knowledge about what you're offering to offer accurate information about your offer. It helps to avoid returns or refunds later. Follow up after the sale. This is a great way to reassure clients they have made a good decision or answer questions that have popped up. Bonus, it can help you get referrals. Be professional. Thank the customer for their business. Now we'll talk about the don'ts. Avoid being pushy or aggressive. Don't use manipulation tactics to swindle people into buying things they don't need. Don't make false promises or exaggerate the benefits of your offer. Don't ignore customer concerns or objections by intentionally avoiding them. Don't answer questions with questions. The goal of closing is to create a win-win-win relationship with your customers. By following these simple do's and don'ts guidelines for sales calls, you can build trust and credibility that clients and customers rave about. That's a great recipe for long-term business success.